Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the fogger model and label instructions because concentration and runtime differ. Once done, clear the room of people and pets and seal food and exposed electronics. This protects surfaces and prevents contamination. Make sure to place the fogger on a stable, level surface near the room center or recommended location. This ensures even dispersal. You should open interior doors for airflow, but close exterior doors to contain the fogger's active zone. You trigger the fogger following the product's activation steps because correct timing controls dose and coverage. Once started, step back and monitor visually for adequate fog spread. If areas look thin, a short second pass may be needed after the recommended wait. Make sure you never re-enter until the label's re-entry time has elapsed, and note that temperature and humidity affect droplet travel. Higher humidity slows dispersal. When the cycle finishes, prepare to ventilate thoroughly for safety. You complete the job by ventilating well, open windows and use fans to move air outward. 30 to 60 minutes is common, though follow the label exactly. Once air is clear, re-enter, remove coverings, and wipe surfaces the label specifies. This reduces residue and protects food prep areas. Make sure to wash your hands after handling covers or treated surfaces. If you notice poor control, check application errors and only repeat according to label directions. Overuse can be unsafe and ineffective.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.